Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we'll help you troubleshoot a lawnmower that starts up and then immediately dies, and we'll show you all the steps that need to be taken. Problem number 1, loose carburetor plate. Remove the air filter and check if the carburetor is shaking. If it is, you'll want to tighten the screws that hold it in place. If they're already tight, remove the carburetor and tighten up the screws of the carburetor plate. If those screws are already tight as well, you'll need to remove the top cover and recoil to access the bolts that connect the intake tube from the carburetor to the head. Tighten the bolts and reassemble the carburetor, recoil, and top cover. Problem number 2, restricted carburetor or carburetor bottom nut. Again, remove the air filter to access the carburetor. Clamp a vice grip onto the gas line to avoid any leaking gas, and then disconnect the gas line from the carburetor. Remove the carburetor from the engine, and then remove the bottom nut from the carburetor bowl. You can now remove the bowl and pull the pin and needle from the float. Clean the ports of the bottom nut and carburetor as well as the float, needle, and pin. Drain the bowl with carburetor cleaner. Once everything is dried, reassemble your carburetor and install it back onto the engine, ensuring all screws are tight. This should help you solve the issue, but if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all of our helpful troubleshooting and repair videos to help get your gear up and running again. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.